Now we understand the process with tables, how we put items into the tables and send them to the kitchen. So what's left? We need to pay. So there are two ways of doing it. Let's go to this table here and select it and open the POS. And you see that we have the payment types here, the tender types. Whenever you like, you can finish the table and pay as you like. And remember, this is the same as it was with the cafe. We don't need to press total because this menu has been set up the way that we can use the tender types directly. And remember, we have the types here, sales. So this menu has been set up that it goes into payment mode automatically. So you can just finish the cash and OK, and it will finalize as any other POS sale. And now you see the table changed. We have a dustbin. So if you select the table, you see it needs to be cleaned. So let's go and do table cleaned, and then it's ready for the next guest to come. This was one way of doing it. There is another way. Because in restaurants, people are sometimes sharing the bill. They need to split the bill. So let's use this table now for that. So we select the table, and instead of opening the POS, we are going to use option split bill. And here we have all the items on the tables. Remember, this one had 2 mains and 2 starters or appetizers. And we need to do something. We have here 2 seats. Remember, this table was set up for 2 seats, 2 guests. So maybe one person is paying for the tiger shrimp and the grilled salmon. So we select these 2 and we move them here. And now seat 1 has these 2 items. And what we can do now, we can just go directly to pay. What happens? We have the tiger shrimp, grilled salmon here, and now we can finish the sale as any other sale. Payment, whatever payment you're going to use. We're just going to use cash this time. When that's done, we are back here. So we have the carrot soup and cheese salad. You can go directly to pay, or you could have one person pays for carrot soup, one person pays for cheese salad. There are many other ways. We can even split and all kinds of different things. This was a simple way of using split bill. So whenever you like, you can select these 2, move them to sheet 2, and use pay. And finalize as any other one. And again, the table needs to be cleaned. And when it's been cleaned, we select this one.